Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Lakshmipati AMG, Associate Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Koratagere. My title is Financial Accounting. I am discussing session number 7. What is the topic covered? Theoretical framework of accounting. Accounting Standard Board, ASB, meaning functions, objectives of accounting. Theoretical framework of accounting, we studied Accounting Standard Board, meaning functions, objectives of Accounting Standard Board, and even International Accounting Standard Board. What is Accounting Standard Board? The Accounting Standard Board is the body responsible for formulating, issuing, and improving accounting standards in a particular country or jurisdiction. These standards ensure that financial statements are reliable, transparent, and comparable. In many countries, the Accounting Standard Board operates under the oversight of a larger organization. For example, in India, Accounting Standard Board functions under the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, that is ICAI. In the United Kingdom, in the United Kingdom, it operates under the Financial Reporting Council, that is FRC. Globally, similar roles are performed by International Accounting Standards Board. Now the Accounting Standard Board was constituted by the ICAI in 1977 with a view to formulate accounting standards to provide a sound, reliable, and high quality of accounting and financial reporting system, and to harmonize the diverse accounting policies and practices in India. The ASB, since its inception, has been constantly working in this direction by formulating new accounting standards as well as revising the existing accounting standards from time to time with the objective to bring the standards in line with IFRS as issued by IASB. The ASB with a view to provide guidance on the uniform application of the accounting standards in an increasingly complex business environment also issues various guidance materials from time to time. So now we are discussing about the objectives of the accounting standard board. The first one is to formulate accounting standards. It ensures consistency in accounting practices and presentation of financial statements. The first objective. The second one is to improve financial reporting, promote transparency and better disclosure in financial statements, to harmonize accounting policies. It reduces variations and improve comparability across businesses and industries. To protect stakeholders' interest. It ensures that users like investors, regulators, and creditors get accurate and useful information. The next one is to align with international standards. It ensures accounting practices are sync with global standards like IFRS. So other objectives are I mentioned one by one. To conceive of and suggest areas in which accounting standards need to be developed. That is another objectives of ASB. To formulate accounting standards with a view to assisting the Council of the ICAI in evolving and establishing accounting standards in India. To examine how far the relevant international accounting standards, international financial reporting standards can be adopted while formulating the accounting standards and to adopt the same. To review at regular intervals the accounting standards from point of view of acceptances or changed conditions, and if necessary revise the same. To provide from time to time interpretation and guidance on accounting standards. And lastly, to carry out such other functions relating to accounting standards. Next, what are the functions to be performed by the Accounting Standards Board? The first one is develop and issue accounting standards. It creates clear guidelines on how financial transactions should be recorded and reported. Review and revise existing standards. Update standards to reflect new economic conditions or business practices. So consult with stakeholders, engage with professionals, regulators, and businesses to ensure standards are practical and widely accepted. So, another one is promote awareness and education. It conducts seminars, workshops, and publications to help stakeholder understand and implement standards. Coordinate with international bodies. It collaborate with organizations like IASB to align national standards with international ones. So address implementation issues. It provide guidance and clarification for practical application of standards. So before we are discussing about the IASB, some other functions are I mentioned. The first one is to conceive and suggest areas in which accounting standards need to be developed, to formulate accounting standards through a comprehensive process, to review at regular intervals the accounting standards from point of view of changed conditions, to provide from time to time interpretation and guidance to support implementation of accounting standards, to take adequate steps to enhance knowledge of the members and other stakeholders for effective implementation of accounting standards, to contribute to the development of single set of high quality globally accepted financial reporting standards for international use by IFRS foundations. Next, we are discussing about the IASB. So, International Accounting Standards Board. So, the IASB is an independent group of experts with an appropriate mix of recent practical experience in setting account standards, in preparing, auditing, or using financial reports, and in accounting education. So, broad geographical diversity is also required. The IFRS Foundation Constitution outlines the full criteria for the composition of IASB, and geographical allocation can be seen on the individual profiles. So, IASB members are responsible for the development and publication of IFRS accounting standards including the IFRS for SMES accounting standards. The IASB is also responsible for approving interpretations of IFRS accounting standards as developed by the IFRS Interpretation Committee, formerly IFRIC. So next, therefore, it is an independent private sector body that develops and issues international financial reporting standards. Next, we discuss what is the role of IASB. The first one is developing IFRS standards is the first role of IASB. The IASB creates and maintains IFRS to ensure transparency, accountability, and efficiency in financial markets worldwide. The second one is improving financial reporting. It aims to make financial statements more comparable, understandable, and useful to investors, lenders, and other stakeholders. So, third one, promoting global accounting convergence. It encourages the adoption of a single set of high quality global standards to reduce variations in accounting practices between countries. So, consultation and transparency. It engages with stakeholders such as auditors, companies, and investors worldwide when developing or updating standards. Monitoring and enhancing standards. Regularly reviews and updates existing standards to respond to changes in the economic environment or users' needs. So the IASB plays a key role in establishing globally accepted accounting rules, enhancing the comparability, credibility of financial statement across countries and industries. So even under the IFRS Foundation Constitution, the IASB has to complete responsibility for the all financial reporting related technical matters of the IFRS foundations. The first role is full discretion in developing and pursuing its technical agenda, subject to certain consultation requirements with the trustees and the public. The preparation and issuing of IFRS and exposure drafts following the due process stipulated in the Constitution. And finally, revisions or recall. The Accounting Standard Board plays a vital role in ensuring uniformity, transparency, and reliability in financial reporting within a country. By formulating accounting standards, the ASB helps enhance the comparability of financial statements and promotes confidence among investors, regulators, and other stakeholders. It ensures that accounting practices align with national economic needs while moving international harmonization. The International Accounting Standards Board is instrumental in developing and promoting globally accepted accounting standards primarily through the International Financial Reporting Standards. So IASB's works fosters consistency, transparency, and accountability in financial reporting across nations, facilitating cross-border investment and economic integration. Its efforts contribute significantly to achieving a single set of high quality global accounting standards for the benefit of capital markets worldwide. Dear students, these are the reference books given. If any informations or any clarifications or any updating your notes, please refer these above reference books. Thank you very much.